Have you ever considered that the reason you're not achieving your desired coils could be just because you're not using the right water temperature? Welcome back to my channel, love.
In this video, I'll be showing you how to use your hot, warm and cold water on your braid extension.
And remember, your prepping determines the final result of the coils you want to achieve. I already have a video on the proper ways you can coil your extensions. I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description. So first, we'll be talking about setting your coils, okay? Now, when you want to set your coils, what you'll be needing is a very hot water. So after coiling your extension, you can either put it inside the water or you pour the hot water over it. Just make sure your water is very hot, okay? When the water is not hot, you might not be able to achieve your desired result. By so doing, you don't have to wait for your coil extension to dry up completely before you unravel it. As you can see, these are the extensions I just coiled right now. They are still very much wet, and you can see how defined the coils are. That's because my water is hot. Now, to loosen your coils a bit, you'll be needing a warm water, not hot water, please. I'll be showing you why you don't need hot water for this process later. There are some hairstyles you do that you don't need a deep coil, okay? So in order to achieve that, you'll be using warm water to loosen up the coils if it's too deep for your liking. The temperature of the water should not be too high. It should be moderate, such that your hand can enter inside, as in you can feel the distance, you don't get burnt, okay? Now look at the one I dip inside the warm water. Look at the coils now, and look at how it was looking before. This is the second coils I made. You can see the difference, right? This one now is giving more of a wavy coils than your normal deep defined coils. Next is the cold water. You use cold water to mold your coils when you're separating it. Okay, now look at these kinky coils. You know that kinky coils is usually rough, but after separating this, I dip it inside cold water. You'll see the difference. When you dip your coil extension inside cold water before or after separating it, you'll notice that the cold water will help mold the coils. Unlike when you separate the coil extension when it's completely dry, okay? When the extension is dry and you separate it, you notice that some of them will be flying around. It won't like give you that defined coils. I'd love to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, all my G's. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. You guys are really amazing. And all my viewers, I also appreciate you all, okay? Do well to hit the subscribe button and join the family. And if this is your first time coming across my channel and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and join the family, okay? Now this is this extension, the same coils when I separated it dry, and this is when I dip inside water before separation. Can you see the difference? Now next is unsetting your coils. We use hot water, as in very hot water, to unset coils. So if you have a coil synthetic extension you want to bring back to straight, what you need is your hot water. Just dip the extension inside hot water and it's back to straight immediately. So this is why I advise you not to use hot water to loosen coils, okay? If the water is too hot, you end up having a straight extension and not a loose coil. So I hope this video will help guide you on how to use your water properly on your braid extension. Thank you so much, love. See you on my next video. Ciao.